going to reconnect post-pandemic? Have you asked yourself that question? Does it freak you out or does it fuel you forward? Ginger here, human connection expert. When you think about reconnecting post-pandemic, as the logjam is starting to break and we're starting to see opportunity to regather wisely with a lot of people vaccinated, all of a sudden our choices become overwhelming. We can feel like, I don't know where to go. I'm a moth in a room full of light bulbs. Yeah, those choices. So how are you going to reconnect? I suggest thinking about it in 3 ways. Number 1, who adds to your life? Who is the client you really want to serve? Focus on them. Who is the relationship, your family, your friends? Who is that you really want to maintain that depth that you've perhaps built? And a lot of us have focused on fewer, better. That's what we're after, my friends. Fewer, better. Fewer, better. Fewer, better. Less is more when you really put the energy into those fewer and do it better. So think about that. Number 2, clean house. What a great opportunity to think about, wow, those ones that don't serve me, the people that I don't serve well either because they don't light me up, they don't make me hum. What a perfect time to put those to bed, out to pasture. Yes, it's time to let those go. You can hear Elsa in the background. Yeah, let those go. Focus on the ones that make you hum, that light you up, as my friend Michael Goldberg, the networking king, says, and focus your energy there. Don't put it somewhere where it's not going to matter. Kind of seems like a no-brainer. At the same time, sometimes that is stuck in our brain for some reasons. The third way I want you to think about how are you reconnecting post-pandemic is to look at the long view of your life. What is the vision you can see down the road, across the valley, on the horizon, wherever it might be? When you have a vision of your future life, are all the people in your life now in that vision as well? I would bet you they aren't. Look into Dunbar's rule. Take a look at Robin Dunbar's work. He's done some really interesting studies on how many people we can actually connect with and how that churns over with our lifetime. And that's totally human. It's not a bad thing. We're always looking for something fresh and different. If something isn't serving our purpose, we're going to go and find something else. So think about how you're going to reconnect post-pandemic. I think those will be helpful for you. If they are, please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot more where this came from. I'm happy to take requests. So if you've got a connecting challenge, put it in the comments below. And also please share this with people who you know need a connecting boost. Until next time, thanks for being here. I'm Ginger, and remember, your life is powered by connection.